Kestrel is a bird belonging to the Kestrel group of the family of Falconidae. It is one of the most common bird of prey in Great Britain. There are about 15 species of kestrels. Species of kestrels are widespread and are found in the continent of Asia, Africa, North America, and Europe. Kestrel has a short pointed bill, pointed wings, long tail, and two short legs. The color of kestrel is light brown plumage with dark spots. Its head and feathers are grey in color. Kestrel is little smaller than pigeon. The length of kestrel is 34 to 38 centimeters. The weight of adult male kestrel is 155 grams and the weight of adult female kestrel is 184 grams. The weight of adult female kestrel is larger than the weight of adult male kestrel. Kestrel flies at a speed of 97 kilometers per hour. Different species of kestrels make different kinds of sounds. Observe and listen the sounds made by common kestrel in a few seconds. Kestrel eats various kinds of food items like voles, mice, insects, and worms.